If you're over 50 and thinking about starting a business, I'm about to show you why you have a secret weapon that most 20-somethings don't. And it's not what you think. Stay with me because at minute 8, I'll reveal the exact AI strategy that helped me launch my consulting business, all while I was still trying to figure out how to save my videos in the cloud. But first, let me ask you something, and it might sting a little bit. How many times have you had this brilliant business idea? Maybe it was 2 a.m. or maybe you were in the shower and you thought this could really work. But then you went down this research rabbit hole, hours on Google, clicking from article to article, bookmark after bookmark, until you felt more confused than when you started. Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I am living proof that midlife can be your launch pad, not your finish line. I hold a PhD, and I'm also a former C-suite executive who led statewide consulting teams, mentored thousands of business owners, and evaluated programs at the national level. But here's the thing. At 49, my own life flipped completely upside down, and I had to reinvent myself using the tools that I created as an executive. Today, my mission is to help and inspire other women in midlife rediscover their joy and design their next chapter with purpose, clarity, and confidence. The truth is, if I can do this, so can you. If this speaks to you, please hit that like button and tell YouTube you want more real talk about thriving in your midlife. And honestly, your engagement keeps me motivated to share these raw and unfiltered stories. Today, I'm going to be comparing 4 AI search tools that will cut your research time from hours to minutes. I'll show you exactly which one to use for market validation, which one excels at strategic analysis, which one helps you understand customers deeply like their persona, and which one keeps you ahead of most of the competition. Plus, I'm going to walk you through how I went from barely knowing how to update my iPhone to running market research like a Fortune 500 strategist, all from my phone. Let me tell you about Karen Hasty. She is 60. According to the Economic Times article in September 2025, Karen, who's from Ontario, Canada, turned down retirement to launch the app Chamber Perks app. It's a platform supporting local chambers of commerce. Despite having no tech background, she leveraged decades of entrepreneurial experience, assembled a skilled team. Her journey showed how her passion, adaptability, and experience can fuel late-stage entrepreneurship in any industry. Also, I read about Sophie Miss Music, who runs a business for female coaches. She was very skeptical of AI. It felt very overwhelming to her, and she worried AI might undercut authenticity in what she does. Over time, she started using AI for efficiencies, content creation, automating lead generation, improving the client experience. Eventually, this led to productizing an AI coach tailored for female coaches and consultants. Her story isn't one of zero tech background. She was already doing some coaching work. She was somewhat familiar with business online tools, but she didn't start within AI business. She moved it into how she saw it could amplify what she was already doing. Here's the issue, and maybe you're doing it all wrong. Traditional Google searches give you information. They don't give you intelligence. You search leadership consulting market size and you get 847,000 results. Which ones are credible? Which ones are the most recent? Which ones actually apply to your specific business idea? According to recent studies, women entrepreneurs face unique challenges accessing market intelligence. We're 50% less likely to have access to the kind of business networks that provide insider insight. But you know what? AI search tools, they have leveled that playing field completely. So let me introduce you to your new business research team. You have Perplexity, Claude, ChatGTP, and Grok. Think of them as 4 brilliant research assistants, each with their own superpower and not on your payroll. Perplexity is your fact-checking powerhouse and research accelerator. It can complete in 2 to 4 minutes what would take a human expert many hours, providing direct, fact-based responses with sources cited. It's perfect for market validation and getting credible data fast. Claude is like having a thoughtful analytical consultant who never gets tired. It excels at deep, nuanced research and can help you understand complex market dynamics. Recent comparisons show Claude provides the most structured, well-sourced summaries for strategic business analysis. ChatGTP is your versatile generalist, great for brainstorming, content creation, and customer persona development. It has the most natural conversation flow, making it perfect for working through business ideas and understanding human psychology. Grok is your real-time intelligence specialist. It searches current web information and accesses more web pages than traditional AI tools, making it ideal for competitive analysis and trend spotting. It's like having a research assistant who never stops monitoring your industry. How cool is that? The first thing you should ask is called the SMART question strategy. Instead of asking, what's the market for leadership consulting, which would give you generic information, ask AI tools specific strategic questions. Started asking things like, what are the 3 pain points at mid-sized tech companies face with leadership development? Or what budget ranges do they typically allow for external consulting? Let me show you exactly how this works. Say you want to start a wellness coaching business for busy professionals. Here's how you'd use each tool strategically. With Perplexity, you'd start with validation. What's the current market size for wellness coaching targeting professionals earning $75,000 plus? And what are the key growth trends for 2025? Perplexity will give you factual source data in minutes, the kind of market intelligence that used to require expensive market research reports. With Claude, you dive a little deeper. Analyze the wellness coaching market for professionals age 35 to 55. What services are oversaturated, what gaps exist, and what pricing models are most successful. Claude will give you a comprehensive, well-structured analysis that reads like a professional consulting report. With ChatGTP, you focus on personas. Help me create detailed customer personas for wellness coaching clients. What are their daily challenges, preferred communication styles, and biggest pain points? ChatGTP excels at the creative, empathetic analysis. With Grok, you're going to monitor the competition. Find the top 10 wellness coaches targeting corporate professionals. Analyze their social media presence and identify what content performs best. Grok's real-time web access makes competitive intelligence effortlessly. Now, here's where your story can get really exciting and why I promised you to stick around for this part. After learning this 4-tool system, your research process can go from overwhelming to strategic. Say you had an HR firm and Perplexity was used to validate that leadership development for mid-sized companies was about $12 billion market with a 15% annual growth. When you use Claude, you'll see that most consultants were focusing on large corporations, leaving a gap in the 100 to 500 employee space. And then ChatGTP will help you create personas for HR directors who are struggling with remote team leadership. And Grok shows you that your potential competitors, they were barely using LinkedIn content marketing. Within 2 weeks, you could have a complete market analysis that would have cost you thousands from a consulting firm. But here's the kicker. You can use this intelligence to craft your service offerings so precisely that your first 3 prospects will be saying, Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's like you've read my mind. And here, let me sign this contract so that you can get started. And you haven't even put your website together yet. Most women spend months or even years in the researching phase of their business. This system will get you market ready in 30 days. And here's something that will surprise you. You don't need to become a tech expert to use these tools effectively. You just need to know which questions to ask. Here's what I know about you. You've got a business instinct that comes from decades of life experience. You understand people, you solve problems naturally, and you have the patience that younger entrepreneurs lack. The only thing standing between you and your business success isn't your age or your tech skills. It's having the right research tools. You can now go from spending the last 25 years making other people's businesses better. Use these AI tools to finally give you the confidence to make your own business unstoppable. You have two choices here. You can keep doing the business research the hard way, spending hours confused and overwhelmed, questioning whether, are these ideas even good enough? Or you can spend 30 days learning the system and join the growing community of women who are launching businesses with confidence that comes from real market intelligence. And if this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other women find this content. I'll see you in the next video where I'm showing you how to solve another problem during midlife. Remember, your experiences is your advantage. These tools are just making it unstoppable.